Restroom complaints don't happen because no one cleans. They happen because cleaning happens at the wrong time. Manual inspections drain manpower. Supervisors end up chasing updates instead of making informed decisions. With WILAS AI Supervisor, the system goes beyond displaying data. It makes smart decisions for you. Start by setting scoring weights. Factors like last cleaning time, user feedback, odor levels, people count, toilet paper, and bin status. WILAS combines all these inputs into a real-time priority score from 0 to 100, so you instantly know which washroom needs attention. When a score hits the urgent cleaning threshold, WILAS automatically sends a task to the cleaner. No calls, no chasing. After finishing, they submit a digital checklist via the feedback screen. Every submission is time-stamped, and the system checks it against SLA compliance automatically. You get an end-to-end audit trail, alerts, escalations, SLA scores, and performance KPIs, all ready for management review. WILAS Smart Washroom, making cleanliness not just possible, but predictable, visible, and accountable.